I stand up or sit down? Decisions. I needed to sit down, of course. So I thought I'd just make a video about my new lifestyle. And I love this top. Got it from Primark, just saying. Yeah. So I found this out like last month. I just love it so much. You wanna know what I'm talking about? Kawaii. Kawaii. It's the cutest thing ever. Yeah, if you don't know what it means, there's a link in the description. But if you can't be bothered to look at it, basically, kawaii is Japanese for cute. Anything cute, adorable, sweet, you know? I just love it so much. So I thought, let me try and make over myself to look like a kawaii person. Make myself look even more cute. I am cute. Let's just make myself even more cute and adorable. Yeah, let's get on with it. I'm looking forward to it. So the things I have here, they're from Primark. One thing from Select, but everything Primark. I'm gonna doll myself up with Primark. As per usual, I say. So, here I got PS eyeshadow, Primark's body glitter, Primark's primer, Primark's blusher, pink, to make the boys wink, foundation, horrible looking beauty blender, lipstick, Primark, and a beautiful bow. Let's jazz myself up. Taking my dirty beauty blender and putting foundation on my face is the bestest feeling ever, I'm not gonna lie. And don't watch my armpits, forgot to shave this morning, don't judge please. So just dabbing foundation on my face. It can be lengthy, to be honest, don't know why, but yeah. Even on my chin, above my chin, under my nose, dab, 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 dab. I love putting foundation on my face. Makes me look sophisticated and more beautiful. Yeah, like I said, it's a lengthy process. So as I can't cut it out. Even got some on my beautiful lips. We'll correct that later. Oh my god. I even said, oh my god. I'm always saying that nowadays, like, what's wrong with me? Dabbing my forehead. Gotta get it correct. Guys, if you want to know why girls take so long, you now know why. Gotta make the foundation on point. So scratching my nose. Lengthy, sorry. Look at the buffness, oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Now I've got my primer, which I didn't put on, I forgot, oh my god, but whatever, let's move on. Got my eyeshadow. The shade I used was called Golden. Make me have golden eyes in it to match my eyes. So buff ting. It's a shame I don't have more eyes. I love putting eyeshadow on my eyes. Not my eyes, but my eyelids. Wow. And I got the dull colours. Next time I'll buy the bright colours, don't worry. And I've got body glitter, silver, from Primark. It's so beautiful. Sometimes I go over the top and put too much on. What can I say? It gets me excited. You see, I always put too much on. But whatever, I still look buff. Oh my gosh, beauty. Ooh, blusher, which I was struggling to open. 1 minute. This could take a while. Finally opened it. Wow. Beauty blender in the beauty thing and apply. Even makes my skin look gorgeous. You think it looks buff yet? Let me know in the comments. I even got my lipstick. I think it looks terrific. My lips popping out. Oh my gosh. I don't put my lipstick on my upper lip because I just do what I did and look, stunning as hell. Even got my glitter bow. So beautiful, oh my god. Attaching it to my hair. Gorgeous young thing. Gorgeous young thing. You're 100 out of 10. My beautiful pink makeup bag. What have I forgot? Mascara, of course. How could I forget mascara? And those boxes, they're false nails. I won't put that on today. What else am I looking for? Anyways, let me apply my mascara first. On it goes. Ignore the shaking, please. It's so cold. Why did I put in more clothes? And I just had an accident and nosying outside. And I should be concentrating on my makeup. Typical me. On that goes. Always shaking when I'm cold. I apologise. Soz. Got my Love Island makeup bag. Ooh, I got eyeliner. Buff ting. Bring it in closer. Got it. In your own time, Chantel, in your own time. It's fine, babe. Gently applying the eyeliner. May not look perfect, but I still look stunning, right? I always put too much of something on. It's a habit of mine. I always overdo makeup. Need to learn to tone it down a lot. Or just a bit, whatever. So this is the end product. I have finished and I look stunning, beautiful. Kiss, kiss, kiss. So that's my kawaii journey. How I figured it out, I just saw images on Google. I fell in love. It's so beautiful. Like, do you think I look pretty? Do you think I look good? Or do you think I'm a hot mess? Hot mess. Oh my god, just comment down below what you think. I honestly think I look buff, yeah? Tell me what you think. Like, how can I improve? What things could I do better with my kawaii makeup? Oh gosh. Honestly, I look pretty. I think so. Do you think so? Tell me. I really want to know what you think. So anyways, I'm gonna go. But please don't forget to like, I can't speak properly today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more brilliant content, yeah? It could be anything you want. You can comment down below what you want me to, oh gosh, what you want to see. What do you want to see from me? Makeup, lifestyle? Tell me. I will bring it to you. I promise. I promise to be more consistent as well. Every Friday and Wednesday. Every Wednesday and Friday. Friday and Wednesday. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'll be more consistent. Just please support me. New YouTuber, whatever. But you know, I'd love to bring out fabulous new content for you to share. For me to share, for you to see. I cannot speak properly today, like I said. Am I drunk? Probably. But yeah, I just want to show you more of me and what I'm capable of. Because this beauty cannot, you know, I have to keep showing myself. But anyways, love talking to ya. Keep watching my videos, subscribe. Who knows what I could do next?
Like a Hellcat.